We have a wellness event, which is something that we do every year, but something that we incorporated into it was a cooking competition for the students. And whoever wins, that recipe gets featured on our cycle menus.
I made a loaded taco salad. I think it turned out the way I wanted it, and I think I should win, but if I don't, I'll still be proud of what I did.
To see that kids are still very much interested in the food segment and the creativity that goes into it is very exciting.